What if everyday life was living at a 5-star resort? I can make that dream come true. This is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, the top brokerage here in this beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today we are in Reserva Conchal. It is the #1 community here in Guanacaste, and I'm about to show you a ground floor unit. It's called Bougainvillea 8101. Come enjoy this beautiful property tour with me today. Walking through the front door of this condo feels so refreshing. Here you've got 2 patio doors that open up. You see beautiful fuchsia flowers, you see the ocean, and you're welcome with this grand open space. The kitchen is quite spacious, and they've replaced the countertop with this new modern one. Here you've got solid wood cabinetry, you even have a walk-in pantry, and you've got your dining and living room right here. The master suite is super special. It has 2 entrances. This one from inside the condo and this one right from the hallway. It's kind of cool because you can use it as a separate suite. You can rent it, live in the 3-bedroom, or you can come stay here like you're staying at a hotel, and then you can rent the other side. Here you've got a king bed and you've got ocean views. On the other side of the condo, you have the 3 guest suites. Each one has its own bathroom. Let's go check them out. Here's the 2nd guest bedroom. It has a king bed, it has a wall of closets, an ensuite bathroom, and it also has ocean view. In the 4th final bedroom. This property would make a great rental or also would be a wonderful residence. You are close to top schools, wonderful hospitals, and amazing restaurants. Not only that, you can walk to the beach. There's a beach club. There's all kinds of activities here. This is one of the best places to live in Costa Rica. Having a ground floor condo is great when you have kids and pets. This is the perfect spot. Bougainvillea 8101 backs on the 3rd hole of the famous Reserva Conchal golf course. Reserva Conchal has all kinds of amazing things to stay fit and have fun here in the outside of Costa Rica. There's hiking and biking trails, there's tennis, there's pickleball, there's stand-up paddleboards, kayaks, bikes, multiple pools, and this golf course is very famous. Even the Latin PGA Tour plays here. Bougainvillea has 62 condos and they share this amazing community center. You've got 2 pools. This one's great with a shallow end for kids, swimming lane. It also has a jacuzzi, and you've got a covered space for barbecuing. When we lived here, we used to have friends and family over and have pizza nights here. One of my best memories.
If you've been waiting for the right home in Reserva Conchal, this is the one that delivers on lifestyle, location, and long-term value. Bougainvillea 8101 is turnkey, timeless, and ready for its next chapter. Your life in paradise begins the moment you arrive. If you have any questions on this property or any other properties in Costa Rica, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you. And be sure to subscribe below to watch more great videos like this. Have a great day. Pura vida!